guys. We've got a bit of a mixed picture on the risk sentiment. It's actually better than it was yesterday, so that's a positive. Yesterday was really quite ugly. Got Japan up, China, Hong Kong, South Africa, UK is up as well, which is interesting. So maybe we might be a risk on day. I'm not too sure whether or not it's a dead cat bounce on risk, because we have to remember, if we look at the dashboard, that the retail guys are long and they're adding long over time. So the 24-hour difference is the dynamic component, this is the time component, and this is the snapshot. So if they add to the big picture, then that's going to be quite bearish. Okay, so have to bear that in mind. VIX is also really high as well. We want to keep an eye on that 26.5 level. We're at 30.32. So I'm just going to show you some indices. We're a bit mixed at the moment, but technically, so the S&Ps, we've got a descending channel, and maybe you might want to keep an eye on 4250. I don't know whether or not this is a legit bounce, I'm not sure, but you see we had 23.6 support on the dot. Maybe that's going to hold, but it's tricky. We've got that support 4221, so that's something. So maybe if this holds, we might be okay. We have broken pitchfork, but we've got a big descending trend line. Let me show you some. I think maybe Russell might be interesting, because this is 2000 companies, the small caps. So you've got a big trend line. You do have that support 1895. That's, I'm sure the dip buys came in there. They looked at that support, didn't they? They did quite well on that. So assuming if 1895 holds, they might be okay. 1985 now. Broken pitchfork, so we could be technically risk on. Sentimentally, we're not. Right? I can't show you DAX, so it wouldn't let me load it, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, I can't show you those. Dow Jones has actually made a bullish harmonic. We have broken that support, but we might be getting that support 33145. So they're your levels, so you can mark them on your chart. I don't know if that's going to hold. Look at that actually. Yeah, I don't know. I think that could be a resistance. So sentimentally, we should be sell. I mean, might still need to flush out the retail guys, right? So be careful. What am I doing? Where are we? Oh God. Yeah, that's the one I want to be looking at, right? Yeah, because that's got the channels. That's fine. So EJ, one above is 129.75. One below is 129 on the dot. We are a sell. Euro's weak. Aussie's strong. Right, and that would be reflective of that. Because Aussie's strong, Euro's weak. Right, so that makes sense according to the sentiment. So maybe EJ can fall because Euro weakness as opposed to yen strength, maybe. But you've got your levels. There's your monthly pivot, and we've got descending channel. You see? Let's go to EU, maybe. Oh, EU. Oh God, that's kind of annoying. That's annoying. Can't show you EU, which is a bit silly. EU. Let's do this quickly. Templates. Video. Simple. Yeah. Alright, so there's the Euro weakness. So SLC's quite far apart actually. 113.90. 111. I send in the chat, in the QuasiDB chat room, I was saying that this could be like a fake. That could be a fake rally, so we have to be careful. It might actually be a decent sell because of that. The sentiment, you see, we're actually quite bearish. Let's look at the pound. Let's go back. Oh, that's kind of annoying. I need to sort out my templates. Where am I? Was it Euro yen last, wasn't it? God. Pound. There you go. So these are FX math signals that you see on the chart. Oh wow. Okay. So it did a double 0.03 at a level with stop loss there. One above is 13640, one below is 13350, and we are by channels up, and it looked like we were breaking this channel down, right? So bear that in mind. AJ, and don't forget I've got the day off today, and so what I'm going to do after this video is I'm going to just look at the results from the FX math software, and I'm going to publish those for you guys, and then you can see what you think. It was successful this week. I'm quite happy considering the geopolitics as well. 83.10, we did take out that stop loss cluster, so that blue line, and the one below is 81.99, or you can say 82. Yeah, there's your monthly pivot there as well. So I guess maybe wrap up the video and just let me know if you need me to look at anything. Dollar yen maybe. And I'm going to wrap up these trades now, I think, because I think this is a dead cat bounce on the yen and dollar. One above is 115.80, one below is 115.09. There's your monthly pivot there, and we are a sell. Okay, so technically we could be falling. Sentimentally, we're actually a buy, but they're going long. So, you know, we can probably fall a little bit, especially if that line continues, then we'll continue down and we'll get that stop loss cluster below. So I'm going to wrap up the video now, and I'm going to do the FX math signals and the results, and obviously I have to put a little note onto the signals as to, you know, the circumstances around those signals, because I had to pull some profit because of the geopolitics. I didn't let the signals run like maybe I should have, but you know, it's good to always secure profit. So a little bit of a disclaimer that the signals were profitable, but they could have been better had I let the profits run. Okay, but you know, due to the Ukraine-Russia thing, it's understandable. So I'll do that now, and have a good weekend, and I should be back over the weekend at some point with some stuff, but if not, it'll be Monday. I'll speak to you soon.